This is the pre-lab video for the flame tests experiment. Just as a fingerprint is unique to each person, the color of light emitted by an element heated in a flame is also unique to each element. In this experiment, the characteristic color of light emitted by calcium, copper, lithium, potassium, sodium, and strontium ions will be observed. The color of light observed when a substance is heated in a flame varies from one substance to another. Because each element has a different spacing of electron energy levels, the possible electron transitions for a given substance are unique. Therefore, the difference in energy between energy levels, the exact energy of the emitted photon, and the corresponding wavelength and color are unique to each substance. As a result, the colors observed when a substance is heated in a flame may be used as a means of identification, similar to fingerprints. The purpose of this experiment is to observe the characteristic flame test colors of different metal compounds and to use this information to identify an unknown metal ion. Safety precautions to be aware of. The chemicals that you're working with are highly toxic by ingestion. Please avoid contact with eyes, skin, and mucous membranes. Make sure that the wooden splints are fully immersed in a beaker of water before you discard them in the trash to avoid trash can fires. Wear chemical goggles and wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before leaving the laboratory. Fill a 100 milliliter beaker about halfway with tap water. Obtain 7 wooden splints that have been soaked in distilled or deionized water. Place them in this beaker of water to continue soaking at your lab station. Fill a 250 milliliter beaker about half full with tap water to be used as your rinse water. Each lab table will have 7 labeled dishes similar to this below. Light your laboratory burner and then dip the soaked end of one of the wooden splints into one of the metal chlorides. You only need a small amount as shown in the picture here. Place the wooden splint in the flame, observe the color of the flame, and allow the splint to burn until the color fades. Try not to allow any of the solid to fall into the barrel of the laboratory burner. Immerse the wooden splint in the rinse water to extinguish it. Record your observations for the flame color produced by the metal chloride in your data table, and repeat these steps for the other metal chlorides, including the unknown. When finished, turn off your laboratory burner, discard all of the wooden splints that you used in the trash, wipe down your lab table, and wash your hands with soap and water. Follow all of the post-lab analysis questions as directed by your teacher.